Welcome. In this video we will see the enhancements in the Solver job monitoring and logs in ANSA version 25.1. The Solve window provides links to entities for the reported errors, warnings and info. Afterwards, the user can manipulate the reported entities through the database browser. More specifically, by using extra functionality under the context menu of Database Browser List. The job submission can be performed from the Solver buttons group, Abacus, Solve. After running the analysis, go to the DAT tab, and by pressing the Issues button, a list appears, with the entities that are reported by the solver with an error, warning or info. In this list, by double-clicking on an entity, the corresponding text is shown in the DAT. Then, by clicking on the entity in the DAT or by pressing right-click on the entity in the Issues list and Open in Window, the reported entity is shown in the Database Browser List. Under the Context menu, all the functionality that is available from the database browser can be used to manipulate the reported entity. In particular, by pressing Edit, the contact pair card opens to modify this contact, which was reported with a warning by the solver. Moving on, for the Solver job logs, the user now has the capability to load multiple logs for comparison and perform simultaneous job monitoring. The simultaneous job monitoring can be done through the Solve window. By pressing Start with File, the first analysis will start running. In the job list on the left, by pressing right-click and Load in New Window, a separate window opens with the logs of this analysis. A second analysis can be run simultaneously by pressing the New Job button. Select the file and by pressing Start with File, the second analysis is running simultaneously with the first. As we can see, the logs are automatically updated for both analyses. Additionally, we can compare multiple logs through Solver buttons group, Abacus, Load Logs. In the window that opens, by pressing the Load button, the logs of an analysis are retrieved. Similarly, we can load the logs of a second analysis. This concludes the demonstration of the Solver job monitoring and logs in version 25.1. Thank you for watching.